Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 3-pack of bamboo cutting boards. These were packaged really nicely, and it's a variety of different sizes. You've got a 9-inch, a 12-inch, and then you've got the big guy, the 15-inch. These are nice bamboo wood. They're soft all the way around with nice rounded edges. And you actually have little grooves in here for when you are cutting. So you're doing like a watermelon or something. This actually has a nice little grooves to be able to catch all that extra juice. And they have handles, which I love when they have little handles because then you can hang them up, or when you put them in your cabinet, you can easily grab that. But what's really cool is this back side of all of them are actually set up for like a little charcuterie board. So whenever you're done, you can flip them over and then lay all of your items, whether you put some meat, some fruit, they've all got a little indented area over here. Then whenever you go to cut with these, they're really super simple to be able to use. You actually just flip this over, put on our meat. Then whenever you are cutting, it's just a nice smooth surface to be able to cut with. Have everything on here. I mean, there's no cut lines or anything on there. These are nice boards to be able to use and then display on your meat. Now they do come with these nice non-slip pads that you can put on the bottom there. And then whenever you're done, all you've got to do is just simply wash this thing off, a little soap and water, get it cleaned up, dry it off, and you are ready for next time.